In front of me is OPPO A80 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and hitting Bluetooth. Now use the switcher to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, use this icon next to the device. Hit Unpair and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!